Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use a powerful AI coding agent for free instead of paying for tools like Claude Code or Cursor. This can save you a lot of money each month while still letting you build real projects with AI. Xiaomi just dropped their flagship foundation model called MiMo V2 Pro, and the benchmarks are honestly wild. Take a look at how it stacks up against top-tier models like Claude Opus, Gemini 3 Pro, and GPT 5.2 across coding, tool use, and agentic workflows. It's holding its own and even beating them on several key benchmarks. What makes it even more impressive is the massive 1 million token context window paired with a 130K max output, which means it's built to handle complex real-world automation tasks with ease. As you can see, MiMo V2 Pro goes head-to-head with top models like Claude Opus and Gemini 3 Pro across coding, tool use, and search benchmarks. But here's the best part. You can actually access this powerful model completely free. But here's the catch with a premium model like this. It usually comes with a hefty price tag. The good news? You can actually tap into this AI model completely for free, and I'll show you exactly how. Let's head over to Google to find and install the OpenClaude CLI, which is the agent that connects us to these free models. To find the CLI tool we need, head over to Google and search for OpenClaude. Open up the first result, which takes you to the GitHub repository by GitLab. Scroll down the page to get a quick look at what this project actually offers. You'll spot the star history graph here, which shows just how popular this open source tool has become. Keep scrolling until you reach the install section, then copy the npm install command listed there. Jump into your terminal, paste the command, and run it to install OpenClaude globally on your machine. Once the install wraps up, simply type OpenClaude to launch the application. Give it a moment, and the OpenClaude CLI will boot up, ready for the next steps. OpenClaude is now installed and ready to go. Next, let's configure the API provider and key so the agent knows where to route requests and can authenticate with the free model. To configure the API provider, type the /provider command in the terminal. This opens up OpenClaude's provider manager, where you can hook up any AI backend you want. If you've got an old provider sitting there, go ahead and remove it so we can start fresh. Pick the Add Provider option, and from the list, choose GitLab OpenGateway, the one marked as free. This is the gateway that gives us access to MiMo V2 Pro without paying a dime. Stick with the default model for now. It'll then ask you for an API key, which we need to grab from the OpenGateway console. Hop over to your browser tab for the OpenGateway console. If you have any old keys lying around, revoke them first to keep things clean and secure. Hit the New Key button, give it a short, recognizable name so you can tell it apart later, and confirm by clicking Create Key. Copy the freshly generated key right away. Remember, the full secret is only shown once, so don't skip this. Jump back to the terminal, paste the key into the prompt, and save it. Wrap things up by selecting Done to close out the provider manager. With our API key in place, the agent is ready to connect. Now let's select the AI model, where we'll point OpenClaude to MiMo V2 Pro so it knows which brain to use for our requests. To pick which AI model will power the agent, type the model command into the terminal. From the list that pops up, go ahead and select MiMo V2.5 Pro via OpenGateway, since that's the powerful model we're getting for free. Let's put it to the test by prompting the AI to build a complete bakery website from scratch. To put this setup to the test, type out your prompt asking the agent to build a professional bakery website, and make sure to specify that it should be created inside a dedicated folder and open once it's done. Our prompt has been sent to the agent. Now let's watch the code generation process as the AI builds out the website file by file. To kick things off, the agent gets to work right away, spinning up a new directory and writing out the index.yml file that forms the backbone of our bakery website. Next up, it generates the styles CSS file to handle all the visual styling. Then it puts together the script.js file to bring in any interactive behavior. Once everything's wired up, it fires off a quick bash command to open the finished index. .html right in your browser. The AI has finished generating all the code for our bakery website. Now let's move on to reviewing the AI-generated website to see how it actually looks in the browser. And just like that, the website is live in our browser. Take a look at what the AI built for us, a complete bakery site for La Dorée. Scroll through it and you'll see a beautiful hero section, the About area, a full product menu with pricing, customer testimonials, and even a contact form with a footer. All of this built for free using a premium model. So that's how you can stop paying for AI coding agents and start using top-tier models completely free. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. And there's the finished website built by the AI right in front of us. You can now skip those pricey coding agents and run something just as capable for free. Give it a try on your own project and see what you think.